How many hours have you lost debugging fragmented computer vision tools or wrestling with deployment pipelines that refuse to scale? Our computer vision pack solves this with modular YOLO V8 integration, Onyx runtime optimization, PyTorch Lightning based segmentation trainers, and Kubernetes deployment manifests that just work. We've embedded TensorRT acceleration for real-time inference, plus auto-annotation pipelines using SAM and CLIP models. This is for ML engineers drowning in Jupyter notebooks, data scientists battling CUDA versions, AI researchers prototyping with Hugging Face models, and vision specialists needing production-grade ML ops. Let's just say goodbye to duct taping OpenCV scripts at 3 a.m. Here's what's inside the computer vision pack. Data preparation with smart chunking strategies that auto-balance class distributions. Classification phase using efficient net v2 with NAS search integration. Object detection with YOLO v7 Tiny and TensorRT conversion. Segmentation using modified mask RCNN with watershed post-processing. Deployment templates include fast API endpoints and Docker files optimized for NVIDIA Triton. Real-time dashboard shows map metrics and latency heat maps. Each phase comes with working code templates, performance benchmarks, and progress checklists. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. This isn't just a toolkit, it's your new development backbone. Installing the computer vision pack takes one command: npx quanta-skills add computer vision pack. That's it. You get the full pipeline: data loaders, model zoo, deployment manifests, and monitoring stack. Your next Claude code session picks up the new vision capabilities automatically. Your AI assistant now understands TensorRT engines, Onyx graphs, and Cocoa metrics. We promise not to judge if you immediately refactor last year's hackathon project. One command, zero headaches, instant expertise.